I'm gonna blow your mind right now because most people think debt is bad. Some people even go as far as to say, steer clear of debt at all costs. But here, that's the truth. Debt is just a tool, and the rich know how to use it to get even richer. And if you want to become wealthy, you need to learn how to use it too. And by the way, I'm not talking about good debt, like a mortgage or a student loan. I'm talking about leveraging debt to buy assets that make you money. For example, if you buy a rental property with a mortgage, you're using debt to buy an asset that generates cash flow. Or if you start a business and take out a loan to expand, you're using debt to buy growth and future earnings. This is how rich people use debt to build wealth. And if you want to become rich, you need to learn how to do it too. In this video, I'm going to show you how rich people use debt to grow their wealth and how you can use the same strategy without going broke. Let's dive in. Section 1. The debt mindset. The first step to using debt to build wealth is having the right mindset. Most people have what I call a poor mindset when it comes to debt. They see it as a form of slavery that keeps them trapped and prevents them from achieving financial freedom. Rich people, on the other hand, have what I call a rich mindset when it comes to debt. They see it as a tool that can be used to buy assets, generate cash flow, and build wealth. Here's the thing. Both mindsets are right. Debt can be a form of slavery if you let it, but it can also be a powerful tool if you use it wisely. The key is to have a plan and know how to use debt to your advantage. Section 2. Good debt versus bad debt. Bad debt is any type of debt that you use to buy things that lose value over time, like credit card debt, payday loans, and car loans. On the other hand, good debt is any type of debt that you use to buy things that generate income or appreciate in value, like a mortgage, a business loan, or a personal loan, to invest in stocks or real estate. In fact, one of the most popular ways that rich people use debt to build wealth is by buying rental property with a mortgage. By using a mortgage, they can buy a property that generates cash flow. Without having to come up with the full purchase price in cash, they're essentially using the bank's money to buy an asset that makes them money. Now, it's important to note that this isn't always easy. Being a landlord can be tough. And there's always the risk that the property, on rent for as long as you hope, or that unexpected repairs will eat into your profits. But done right, buying rental property with a mortgage can be a great way to use debt to build wealth. Section 3. Leverage in action. Leverage simply means using debt to magnify your returns. For example, let's say you have $20,000 in cash, and you want to buy a rental property. You could afford to buy a $100,000 property in cash. If you're thinking about using leverage to buy assets that generate income or appreciate in value, like a rental property or a business, then you're on the right track. Just make sure you don't overextend yourself and take on more debt than you can handle. Section 4. How to do it safely. I'm going to share 3 rules to follow when using leverage to buy assets. Rule 1. Only borrow money to buy assets that generate income. This is the most important rule of all. Don't use debt to buy things that lose value or that don't generate income. That includes things like luxury cars, vacations, and even some types of personal loans. You should only use debt to buy assets that will generate income or appreciate in value. Rule 2. Always keep cash reserves. No matter how much debt you have, it's important to keep some cash reserves on hand in case of emergencies. This will help you avoid getting into more debt if something unexpected happens, like a job loss or a major car repair. Rule 3. Don't over-leverage. This is a big one. It's important to be smart about how much debt you take on. Do you and T try to buy more assets than you can afford just because you have the option to do so? Make sure you have a comfortable debt-to-income ratio, and that you can make your monthly payments even if interest rates rise. Otherwise, you could end up in a situation where you owe more money than your assets are worth. Section 5. Action plan. So you've learned how rich people use debt to build wealth, and you've developed the right mindset to use debt wisely. Now, it's time to take action. Here are 5 steps to follow. Step 1. Pay off bad debt first. Before you start using debt to buy assets, it's important to get rid of any bad debt you may have. This includes credit card debt, payday loans, and any other high interest rate debt. High interest rate debt is expensive and it will eat into your profits. So, it's important to get rid of it as soon as possible. Once you've paid off your bad debt, you can start using debt to buy assets. Step 2. Build an emergency fund. As I mentioned earlier, it's important to keep some cash on hand for emergencies. An emergency fund is a safety net that will help you avoid getting into more debt if something unexpected happens. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in an emergency fund. Step 3. Start small. When you're first starting out, it's important to start small. Don't try to take on too much debt or buy too many assets at once. Start with 1 or 2 rental properties or small businesses and work your way up. Step 4. Use leverage to your advantage. As you gain experience and confidence, you can start using leverage to your advantage. This means borrowing money to buy assets that generate income or appreciate in value. Leverage can be a powerful tool for building wealth, but it's important to use it wisely. Make sure you don't overextend yourself and take on more debt than you can handle. Step 5. Repeat as income grows. As your income grows, you can repeat the process of buying assets, building leverage, and investing in more assets. This will help you continue to build wealth over time. Now that you understand how to use debt to build wealth, it's time to take action. Remember, debt doesn't have to be scary. When used correctly, it can be a powerful tool for building wealth. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you know someone who needs to escape bad debt and start building wealth, please share this video with them.